Hello everyone. In this problem, the rectangular lamina of side 20 mm into 30 mm rests on HP. One of its longer edges, the lamina is tilted with the HP at 45 degree and resting edge is inclined to VP at 30 degree. Start the sketching construction by manual sketching. XY line, thin line, thin line. Draw the line, then write those X, Y, VP, HP, capital letters, X, Y, VP and HP, and next construct the rectangle of 20 into 30 mm box, 20 mm 0 degree, then next 30 mm 90, then 20 180, then again 30 to 70. You will get rectangle of 20 into 30 mm. Now show the dimensions. One longer edge is 30, longer edge is 30 and shorter edge is 20, and start name those four corners with small letter A, B, C and D, and project for front view with thin lines up to XY line. Here A and D same line and B and C same line. Those front view is thick line, and name those front view with above the XY line A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay, here A dash visible, it has to be text. I have to type above the XY line A dash within bracket, D dash and B dash, C dash within bracket. And next, the surface lamina 20 mm, resting edge is BC, is inclined to HP at 45 degree. This much of length B dash to A dash, it is 20. Take the line, that is scale using pencil and protractor. Angle is 45 degree, length is 20 mm. Okay, for 20 mm length, which one 45 degree inclination, 20 degree. Okay, and you have to name those points. To name the points is the apex point is A dash and base is B dash and C dash, and to write the angle from XY line to this angle is 45 degree. Then as usual the length of the line is 20 mm 2 centimeter. Now project for top view thin line A dash, D dash and B dash and C dash. Here A dash and D dash downwards, then B dash and C dash downwards. Project AB on same line and DC on same line. Okay, these lines it has to be up to downwards. Now if it is extra line, you can trim this unwanted line. We'll get endpoints. Now this top view is apparent rectangular lamina joined by thick line with dark on those lines visible. Start with A, end point A, it's B, it's C and it's D, D to A, and name the top view points A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. The A, this point is have to name those two operand lamina text. This point is A, B, C, D. Okay. Then start with A, B, C and D. The resting edge B and C is inclined to VP at 30 degree. Draw thin line, thin line, thin line from XY line. The length of the line, it has to be so much, and angle is 30 degree. 30 degree. Show the angle by using protractor. Draw 30 degree line, and next show the angle without forgetting XY line to this line. Angle is 30 degree. On this line, the P and C have to first mark B and C thick line. The B and BC length is 30 mm. 30 mm thick line. You take thick line from this point somewhere. It's 30 mm. 30 mm. Now name the points. Name the point. This point is our C. This is our C point. This is our B point. Okay, just write it. It's C and it's B. And to get A and D, use compass. Use compass. Use compass. Then you measure B to A. B to A is it's 14, 1.4 centimeters. C to D also 14. Okay. B is the center. B is the center. 14, 1.4 centimeter. C is the center. 1.4 centimeter. To cut the radius, the diagonal B to D is 33, 3.3 and C to A also 33. C is the center, 33, cut this arc. B is the center, 33, cut this arc. You'll get those intersection points. Those 2 points are A and D. This point is A. You write those A and D, and now join those points with thick line B to A and C to A and A to D. Okay, join with C to D, D to A, then A to B. Now draw those, project upwards for front view, and for second position front view you project towards right side. See A and D, A dash and D dash, project it and start with projecting A. A is above 90 degree line and D is also above 90 degree line. The B and C on XY line, up to XY line, B and C, and this extra line you can erase. Now name those A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Okay, this is A, here is A dash and it's B, this is your B dash, C dash and D dash. Join those by taking scale. Join those all 4 corners with thick line. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. Okay, this completes your the rectangular lamina, the problem of preposition.